Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to buy Prometeus on Binance. What you need to do, first just go to Binance and log in your account, and then just go here trade. After that click classic, and then here on the search bar just type PROM, and you can select one of those, here BUSD and here BNB. And after that, when just you scroll down, no, let me just select this one. Here the price, and here the currency, the amount. For example, if I want to buy 100 PROM, and that it will be the price with BNB. After that just click buy PROM. This video is how to buy Prometeus on Binance. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.